Wait, why is this equipment in red? Is it a secret tier? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. Red equipment is rare, and we can't always buy it with money. In this video, we'll reveal how to unlock it, how DX blueprints work, and the best way to farm them efficiently. Fundamental. Orange equipment can be upgraded through promotion and enhancement. The enhancement level is the white number at the bottom of the gear icon. The promotion level is in the top right corner, marked with different shapes. Levels 1 to 4 use a red hexagon, levels 5 to 9 switch to a red circle, and level 10 changes to a red hexagon inside a purple circle. Once your equipment hits promotion level 10, you're ready for a breakthrough to red equipment. This breakthrough requires 10 DX blueprints and 100 power cores. After the breakthrough, the appearance of the equipment changed. In battle reports, red equipment no longer displays enhancement or promotion levels on the icon. Instead, it features 5 hexagonal stars. We believe that red equipment can be further promoted by an additional 5 levels, which are represented by orange stars. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ DX Blueprints. Now, here's the tricky part. DX Blueprints are extremely rare. We have never seen the DX Blueprints bundle available. According to one of our members, it costs $100 for 8 pieces. It is better to get them for free from the honor shop in the black market gradually. Each DX blueprint costs 5,000 honor points, with a weekly limit of 10 blueprints. This means you can acquire 10 DX blueprints weekly with 50,000 honor points. With enough power cores, you can create one piece of red equipment. Remember though that the honor shop also offers other valuable items, such as precision parts, orange fragments, and orange equipment, which all require a significant amount of honor points each week. So how can we efficiently farm honor points? There are 2 methods. The arena is the first place to earn honor points. You can earn honor points from daily and weekly arena rewards. Check out this video from the link in the description to learn more about arena tips. Capital Clash is another place where you can earn many honor points. There are 12 war chests available for unlocking by accumulating war points. If you unlock all the chests, you'll receive 32,000 honor points, equivalent to more than 6 DX blueprints in just one event. Be sure to participate in Capital Clash every week to maximize your rewards. If you'd like us to create a guide on Capital Clash, please comment below, and we'll get started on it. Tip. Here's a final tip before we conclude. As mentioned in our equipment guide, it's essential to prioritize distributing power cores among the 5 heroes in your primary lineup. This means you should spread the power cores across 20 pieces of equipment. While red equipment may look appealing, avoid using all your power cores on a single item. Remember that as the promotion level increases, the cost of boosting each item rises, but the stat bonus remains the same. For example, level 4 requires 40 power cores for a 10% base attribute boost. Level 5 requires 50 power cores but only provides a 10% boost. Therefore, if you distribute the power cores evenly, your overall formation will gain more value. However, if you simply want one piece of red equipment to show off, that's perfectly fine too. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.